In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix wireless display not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. I can suggest that try to restart first because once you restart, that will refresh all the system processes and programs. So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, see if that helped you fix the issue. The next method is we need to right click at the start button and select device manager. In the Device Manager window, click on the arrow that is next to Display Adapters. Then right-click on your graphics card, select Update Driver, browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. So simply choose the driver from your manufacturer and click on Next, and Windows will successfully update your drivers. Then the next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type Firewall. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then, scroll down and you need to look for your wireless display. So, if your wireless display is listed in here, or you can find your wireless display, anything that is wireless display in here, just simply make sure that that is enabled for both the private and the public. Okay, like that. So, if this is your wireless display, just simply enable that for the public and the private. And then you have to click on OK. And then close the Windows Defender firewall. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.